always hate this part. I'm like, hi!
And yeah. And then we are going to do, I wrote it all down here, so let me just.
Let's be honest, who has any recipe memorized?
I mean, and sometimes I will just like eyeball it,
Yeah.
but I'm like, when something's like,
We need
when
this to
people are
turn out.
watching, I'm like, okay, maybe I should like stick to measurements,
That's
kind
fair.
of.
And we can also skip the question.
No,
if
I
we're-
love it.
Okay.
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 Okay, here we go. There's a guy called Mark Groves. I hope I'm saying his name wrong. Okay, wait, pause one sec. I'm just gonna make sure in life here, because that's when I feel like does that.
What was that?
I'll do it. I don't know what it's
Is it
from.
the air?
I don't know, because it's off and everything.
Oh,
It's like the
sounds
water
like a
or something.
dragon.
I know.
That's really funny. Sorry. Anyways.
Should we see how the balls
Yeah,
are going?
let's do
it. I probably shouldn't say drugs right now. I'm just kidding. I meant
Okay, we're adding in a little more almond butter.
Is that weird? Do you remember Ferrero Rochers?
Yeah.
So those were like my favorite
That's so
chocolate
funny.
ever. I would get like, for Christmas, this is like bad, I think I would get like 10 boxes and I don't think they lasted very long. Like maybe a couple days. Okay, well, these might not look the best, but
No,
I
they
swear
look
they
great.
taste the best.
That's all that matters.
I washed my hands like 800 times before this too.
Thank you.
What is the brand? Should we try so the reaction?
We're like, so fry.
It's delicious. Like, should we try one?
I think they're gonna be amazing. They're so good.
Fudgy.
Mm-hmm.
They will stick to your teeth.
Yep, in the teeth.
It's that cacao.
It's good though.
Yay!